Goeiemorgen, good morning, and welcome. Unboxing a gift from my sister. After my post last year about the South African snacks I love, my sister put together a gift package for me for when I arrived in South Africa. We had said we are not doing a lot of gifts this time around since my boyfriend and I would be traveling with minimal baggage. But my sister also know I will be packing all the baggage to just under the weight limit with South African snacks when flying back. And I will be enjoying all the awesome snacks South Africa has to offer during my visit. If you've not traveled a lot, you might not even know how many snacks that you can find everywhere in South Africa is not available or super expensive overseas. So we're going to do a little bit of unboxing and see what my sister got for me. My sister is actually really good about using reusable bags. But sometimes you run into the store for one thing and end up getting much more and need a bag. So, like most South Africans, she has a fair collection of paper bags and she reused them as much as she can. First in the bag are some chips, a big bag of tomato sauce, the really good ones, and some little bags of Mrs. Ball's chutney. I immediately have to interrupt my unboxing to talk about Mrs. Ball's. I posted a video about a bobotie recipe, and in it I say, use Mrs. Ball's chutney if you can find it. So, an American friend contacts me and says, what chutney? And I say, Mrs. Ball's. And she says, what? And I say, Mrs. Ball's. And she says, I don't think I'm hearing that right. Are you saying balls? And I start laughing because I've been hearing and saying Mrs. Ball's for so long that I didn't even get it. In fact, it is Mrs. H.S. Ball, but everybody just says Mrs. Ball's. Next, we have some rooibos salt. I love all of the Fynbos selections of food stuff that you get everywhere these days. My sister would later even find me a chocolate bar that is rooibos. A bag inside my bag. My sister had to go past Affieplaas on her way to a job site a few weeks before my visit, and she stopped by to get a few things. Lucky packets. This is something I would have never thought to buy for myself, but it's such an amazing addition. Soft candies, mini Easter eggs, marshmallows, taffies, and right in the bottom, the ultimate win, a Black Wilson toffee. 50% pure nostalgia, 50% road tar. I have actually saved some of the candies to share with friends as kids, but only some of them. Most of them I ate myself before we even left South Africa. Great choice. Meerbos lollies. I actually have a friend here in America with an apricot tree, but I don't know if I have the patience and the dedication to make meerbos. However, I am always willing to eat some. I can't really explain the taste to somebody, and it, like Wilson toffees, is very much a love it or hate it foodstuff. I love it now, but I remember as a child not understanding at all why my mom loved it. Appelkoekies. That translates to apricot. I don't know why I always thought they were peaches. For the size, apricots make so much more sense. And it's the good ones. The ones that have two halves stuck together. Not the modern knockoffs that are just sad little shriveled half circles. Fruit lollies to complement the meerbos. Maybe I should learn to make these before attempting meerbos. I've actually shared some of these with friends before, and they too love them. This time around, I might just hide them and not tell anybody that I have them. My sister was kind enough to double up on a lot of things. 2 packets of candy, 2 packets of appelkoekies, and 3 packets of meerbos. I made out like a bandit. I should have filmed me unboxing my mom's gift too. I always pack spices, and I also share spices with friends. My mom made it a quest to find a whole selection of spices for me before I arrived. Some are common, some are very uncommon. I'm really looking forward to using all of these. Yes, I can find plenty of different spices here in America, but they're just not the same. If you're looking for gift ideas, Cape Herb and Spices Meal Solutions. Affordable, South African, lightweight, and they actually come in some pretty packaging. I highly recommend them as gifts for all of your non-South African friends. 10 out of 10 for my sister and my mom. My sister clearly knows me so much better than I thought. I will be enjoying all of these. Actually, I have been enjoying many of these already.